To pledge. India is my country. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of each street and varied. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In there will be and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
To all today, international and national news is brought to you by Siddharth Reddy from GRADE-VIII Topaz. International news. Australia begins largest ever military exercise with 19 nations, 35,000 personnel. National news. Visa screening does not stop after a visa is issued. US Embassy. Thank you.
Happy morning to everyone. Today's state and sport news is brought to you by Krishna from GRADE-VIII Topaz. State news. 14 drug consumers were arrested from Gachibowli area by Eagle. Sports news. Mohammad Siraj fined 15% of his match fee to Ben Duckett's send-off. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone, myself K. Jaisma of GRADE-VIII Topaz. Today's weather report. Maximum temperature 32 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 23 degrees Celsius. Air quality 103, humidity 65%, wind speed 16 km per hour. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. Today's thought is brought to you by K. Tarun of GRADE-VIII Topaz. Today's thought. Hard work is golden key to success. I repeat it once again. Hard work is golden key to success. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone, myself Kiran Kumar of GRADE-VIII Topaz. Today's word, resort, a place where people go on holidays. Friends, please spell after me. Resort, R-E-S-O-R-T, resort.
The change you wish to see. Happy morning to all. I am Sukirtan of GRADE-VIII Topaz. Today I want to talk about something. Begin with you. We often wish the world was that people were most honest, that things were easier. But have we ever asked, am I kind? Am I honest? Do I make this better for others? Mahatma Gandhi once said, be the change you wish to see the world. It means do not wait for others to be better. You take the first step. If you want more respect, begin by giving it. If you want peace, stop fight and start listening. Even a small act, helping a friend, saying sorry, standing up for what's right, can make a big difference. So let's stop waiting. Let's start changing ourselves from our habits, our actions. Because when you change, everything around you starts changing too. Thank you, and let's all be the change today. Thank you.
Questions are brought to you by Saishri from GRADE-VIII Topaz. Question for grade 6. Which country has the largest number of time zones? I'll repeat it again. Which country has the largest number of time zones? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is France. Question for grade 8. Who is the first woman ruler of India? I'll repeat it again. Who is the first woman ruler of India? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is Razia Sultan. Question for grade 9. The movement started by the Mahatma Gandhi in year 1942 is known as. I will repeat it again. The movement started by Mahatma Gandhi in year 1942 is called. Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is Quit India Movement. Question for grade 10. Which state is known as Land of Five Rivers? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is Punjab. Let us appreciate them. Open questions for all. Question number 1. Who wrote the Indian Constitution? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is right. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Let us up. Question number 2. Which company created the ChatGPT AI platform? I will repeat it again. Which company created the ChatGPT AI platform? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is OpenAI. Open question number 3. Which book is known as Festival of India? I'll repeat it again. Which book is known as Festival of India? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is New Delhi World Book Fair. Thank you.